Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Expert. If you've ever spent hours creating PowerPoint presentations only to end up with slides that look plain or boring, then you're going to love today's video. I'm introducing you to an amazing AI tool called Work PPT. This tool can take your topic, your ideas, or even just a few keywords and instantly turn them into professional, eye-catching presentation slides. Whether you're a student preparing for a class project, a teacher designing lecture material, or a business professional working on a pitch deck, Work PPT makes the entire process fast, simple, and stress-free. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how it works, show you how to generate full presentations in seconds, and highlight the features that make it stand out from other tools. Once you log in, this is the interface you'll see. It's clean, minimal, and super easy to use. Let's dive in and see it in action. As you can see here in the middle, there's a search bar. From this option, you can either upload a file or simply type your topic. All you need to do is enter the subject of your presentation right here. For example, I'll type in my topic. And just below that, you can also choose how many slides you want the AI to generate. Once everything is set, simply hit Enter and Work PPT will get to work. Next, you'll notice that there are plenty of templates available. These templates come in different categories like business, marketing, technology, education, nature, and more. Each one is designed with a specific purpose in mind, so you can pick the style that best matches your presentation. Just select the one you like, and the tool will instantly apply it to your slides. Here, I'll select a template, and as you can see, within just a few seconds, the AI has generated a complete presentation for me. The slides are well designed, structured, and ready to go, saving you hours compared to making them manually. Now, even though the AI does most of the heavy lifting, you still have full control. You can click on any slide to edit the text, adjust headings, or add your own points. You can also customize fonts, changing their style, size, and color, or tweak the color scheme and highlight important information. The best part is that everything is fully customizable. So while the AI gives you a professional, ready-made presentation, you still have the flexibility to design it exactly the way you want. And once you're happy with your slides, you can easily save the presentation or download it directly to your computer with just one click. Next, I'll upload a PDF file directly from my computer. Once the file is uploaded, I just click on the Generate My Presentation button. Instantly, Work PPT shows me a variety of templates in different styles and categories. I'll go ahead and select one template, and within just a few seconds, the tool automatically converts my PDF into a complete presentation. All the content is neatly arranged into slides with proper formatting, making it ready to use right away. On the right-hand side, you'll also notice some very useful editing options. From here, you can easily insert additional text boxes, shapes, or even charts to visualize your data. You can also add audio and video files directly into your slides, making your presentation more engaging and interactive. So not only does the AI save you time by creating the slides for you, but it also gives you powerful customization tools to make your presentation exactly the way you want. Once your presentation is ready, you can save it online or simply click the download button to get it on your computer. On the left side, you'll find several powerful options. One of them is AI This feature works like your personal assistant right inside the tool. You can ask it questions, generate fresh ideas, improve your content, or even get writing help instantly. For example, I asked the AI chat, "What is the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning?" And within seconds, it provided a clear and detailed explanation. Another cool feature is that you don't just have to read the text, you can also listen to it. The tool can convert written text into audio, so you can hear your content being read aloud.
Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are related concepts, but they are not the same.
This is really helpful for presentations, practicing speeches, or just reviewing your slides in a different way. Next, there's the AI PDF option. With this feature, you can upload any PDF file and manage it with multiple built-in tools. For example, you can merge two PDF files together, split specific pages, add a watermark or stamp, convert images into a PDF, or even turn your PDF back into images. Here, I'll select the option, Image to PDF, and as you can see, the tool instantly converted my file into a PDF. The best part is that no matter which option you choose, the processing happens immediately and you get the results within just a few seconds. Another really useful feature is Stamp to PDF. With this option, you can easily add stamps such as confidential, approved, or even custom text to your documents. This is especially helpful for official files, business reports, or anything that requires a professional label. The best part is, no matter which option you use, whether it's merging, splitting, converting, or stamping, the tool processes everything right away and gives you the result within seconds. Next, we have the AI Summarizer. With this feature, you can upload a file, paste a link, or even type text directly. Once added, the AI instantly analyzes the content and summarizes it into short, clear, and easy to understand points. This is especially useful when dealing with long documents, articles, or reports. Instead of spending hours reading everything, you get the key highlights in seconds, ready to use in your presentation or study notes. On the side, you'll also find some handy management options. Order List keeps track of all the presentations or files you've created by you. Stores the projects you've personally worked on. Invite List allows you to collaborate easily by inviting others to join and use the tool with you. All of these features are neatly organized in one place, making it really convenient to manage your projects without any hassle. And that's how easy it is to design professional presentations with Work PPT. From generating slides in seconds to customizing them, and even taking advantage of powerful AI tools like Chat, PDF Management, and Summarizer, everything is fast, simple, and user-friendly. If you'd like to give this tool a try, you'll find the link down in the description. Definitely check it out. And if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to AI Expert for more tutorials on the latest AI tools. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.